I want to talk to you about 5 things that your skin is actually telling you about your gut health. Now, did you know that your skin is like a mirror of your digestive system? Most people treat skin problems with creams, lotions, or medications. But the real root cause often starts deep inside the gut. Today, I'll share 5 things your skin can reveal about your gut health and how to fix them naturally. Number 1, altered gut microbiome. When your gut bacteria are out of balance, too many bad guys and not enough good ones, it often shows up on your skin. One common sign, rosacea. Doctors usually treat it with antibiotics, but that only gives temporary relief and can make things worse long term. This imbalance triggers inflammation that spreads throughout your body, and your skin ends up paying the price. Number 2, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, SIBO. Most gut bacteria belong in the large intestine, but when they creep up into the small intestine, you get SIBO. This causes nutrient deficiencies, inflammation, bloating, and yes, more rosacea or stubborn skin problems. If you're struggling with acne or redness that won't go away, your skin may be telling you to look at your gut bacteria. Number 3, gut inflammation. Chronic bloating, pain, or tightness in the gut is often linked to gluten and certain grains. This inflammation blocks the absorption of zinc, a mineral essential for healthy, glowing skin. Low zinc can lead to rashes, flaky skin around the nose and mouth, and even slow wound healing. Omega-3 fatty acids from fish or cod liver oil can also help calm skin and reduce irritation. Number 4, poor nutrient absorption and vitamin D deficiency. When gut inflammation lasts too long, the tiny absorbers in your intestines, called villi, get damaged. That means you stop absorbing key nutrients, especially vitamin D. Low vitamin D weakens your immune system, triggers autoimmune skin issues, and makes flare-ups worse. That's why sunlight, vitamin D-rich foods, and sometimes supplements are crucial for both gut and skin health. Number 5, gallbladder or bile issues. Your gallbladder and bile help break down fats and absorb fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A. Without enough bile, you can develop itchy skin or those small goosebump textures on the back of your arms. Foods like beef liver and cod liver oil are excellent for restoring vitamin A and omega-3s, which smooth and repair skin. So now that you know all these possible gut-skin connections, how do you fix it? Start healing your gut. Eat fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, and yogurt for natural probiotics. Try intermittent fasting to give your gut time to heal. Use apple cider vinegar or digestive enzymes to support stomach acid. Add glutamine-rich foods like meat to repair the gut lining, and avoid inflammatory foods like processed carbs, seed oils, and too much sugar. When you balance your gut, you don't just feel better inside, you'll also see the difference in your skin. Fewer breakouts, reduced redness, and that natural healthy glow. Now let's dive deeper into how you can heal your gut naturally. First, let's talk about diet. What you eat has a huge impact on your gut bacteria and overall gut health. To promote a diverse and thriving microbiome, aim for a balanced mix of the following. Number 1, fiber-rich foods. Think fruits, veggies, whole grains, and legumes. Fiber acts as food for your gut bacteria, promoting their growth and supporting a healthy gut. Number 2, fermented foods. Sauerkraut, kimchi, kombucha, kefir, and miso are excellent sources of probiotics, which introduce beneficial bacteria into your gut. These foods help replenish and diversify your gut microbiome. 3, anti-inflammatory foods. Chronic inflammation can wreak havoc on your gut. So focus on anti-inflammatory choices like leafy greens, fatty fish, nuts and seeds, olive oil, and turmeric. These foods help calm inflammation and create a more balanced gut environment. Next, consider lifestyle factors that can significantly influence your gut health. Number 1, manage stress. Chronic stress can disrupt the gut microbiome and worsen existing gut issues. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature to restore balance. Number 2, prioritize sleep. Quality sleep is essential for gut health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night to allow your body, including your gut, to repair and rejuvenate. 3, consider supplements. If you're finding it challenging to meet all your gut health needs through diet alone, consult with a healthcare provider about supplementing with probiotics, prebiotics, or digestive enzymes. These can provide additional support for your gut. Remember, achieving optimal gut health is a holistic journey that involves nourishing your body with the right foods, managing stress, getting enough sleep, and considering supplements. By taking these steps, you can pave the way for a healthier gut and, as a result, healthier skin. If you enjoyed this video, like and share for more health insights. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Dive into gut health and discover its connection to skin health. And click here to learn about the surprising link between your emotions and your skin. Your gut feeling is right. Your skin is talking, and it's time to listen.